They told you the markets were random. They lied. Another all-time high predicted hours in advance within one tick. Stay tuned. We'll show you how we did it again today. Welcome back to Day Trade Like a Pro. This is the review for Wednesday, January 15th. And I want to show you a couple of things here before we jump right in. We're looking at the S&P 500. You can see at 622, we gave this price 32.82. And also right here, we said new highs, 32.9875. That's 32.9875. We gave that price back here. This is 82. Also gave that price when the market was back here. Okay, so I'm going to dive into this and I'm going to show you the way this looks here is that market opened. We said everything had been holding the 79. If you've been following along at all this week, we've talked a lot about that. The market came down, held the 79 area. We said this morning we were looking for new highs, minimum up to here. So there was a big push from 79 all the way up here to 98.75. And about a 20-point move right there. Actually, exactly 20 points from here up to here. 20 points if you're new to futures. That's a 200% return on the money that you are on margin that you have in the market with most brokers. So what happened? We traded right up here, pulled back a little, got that extra push up to here, sold off about 7 points down to here. They tried it again, couldn't quite push this. And then they brought it all the way. We held below here, traded down to here. They brought it right back up here to 95.5 to the tick, and then sold it off down here to 82. So from 95 down to 82. And then from here, ended up rallying from 82 back up to 94, so another 12 points. If you were keeping track, that's a lot of points. Now I'm going to show you something here. It doesn't just work on the S&P 500. It works on anything you can put on a chart. So we're going to look at the Nasdaq. 5-minute chart of the Nasdaq. You can see what happens. We hold right here around 6 o'clock Pacific time. We trade up to here, sell off a little bit. By the way, this from 9, that's 45 all the way up to 93. That's about 50 points. Great short opportunity. I know we had a bunch of traders. They got short up here around 93. 93 down to here, all the way back down here to this 45 area, another 50 points. There was also a short opportunity here, down to there, so another nearly 40 points. Just this and this, that's 100 points, plus you have 40 points here. Plus we have the long opportunity over here, this long from 29, and that thing ended up rallying about 30 points. It's like 150 points if you did all of what there was to do. Might have had a couple of small losses for a handful of points there, but all together, killer day. I'm not going to dive into depth of how we're trading the Nasdaq, but we have traders doing it, doing really well with it. And prediction points work on whatever we put them on. That's the point. So if you haven't tried prediction points, you can sign up in the link below. If you're in the live trade signals, we'll see you tomorrow. And if you want to see that we mapped all of this out ahead of time and how we're doing that every day, you can go watch the review video or the preview video for today. We record those each morning, make them available to our members in real time. And then after the market close, we make them available on our public YouTube channel. But if you want to get those and all the other resources we're offering, try out the live trade signals. And we will see you in the live trade signals tomorrow.